7-Day Detox Challenge. Transform your body and mind. Join me as I take on the challenge to detox my body and brain in just 7 days. Let's see how I feel at the end. Today, I want to talk about something that's really important for our overall health and well-being, and that's detoxing. We all know that toxins are everywhere, from the food we eat to the air we breathe, and they can have a major impact on our physical and mental health. But the good news is that there are things we can do to detox our bodies and brains, and in just 7 days, you can start to feel the benefits. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of detoxing, the common sources of toxins in our daily lives, and I'll share with you a 7-day detox plan that you can follow to start feeling better fast. Toxins are all around us, and they can come from some unexpected sources. Processed foods, for example, are a major source of toxins in our diets. Food additives, preservatives, and artificial flavorings can all have a negative impact on our health. And it's not just food. Stress is another major source of toxins in our lives. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, a hormone that can have a range of negative effects on our health, from weight gain to anxiety and depression. Environmental factors can also play a role, from the air we breathe to the products we use in our daily lives. Even things like makeup and cleaning products can contain toxins that can affect our health. In addition to these obvious sources of toxins, there are also some more subtle ones that can affect our health. Things like lack of sleep, negative emotions, and even our thoughts can all have a toxic impact on our bodies and brains. It's not just about avoiding certain foods or products. It's about making lifestyle changes that promote overall health and well-being. So how do we start to detox our bodies and brains, and what changes can we expect to see in just 7 days? Over the next 7 days, I'll be following a detox plan that includes dietary changes, hydration tips, and mindfulness practices aimed at cleansing both my body and brain. I'll be cutting out processed foods and sugar, and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, veggies, and lean proteins. I'll also be drinking plenty of water and incorporating healthy fats like coconut oil and avocado into my diet. In addition to these dietary changes, I'll be practicing mindfulness and meditation to reduce stress and promote relaxation. One of the things I'm most excited about is the potential benefits I'll experience in just 7 days. I'm hoping to have more energy, clearer skin, and a sharper mind. I'm also looking forward to feeling more relaxed and centered, and having a greater sense of overall well-being. By following this detox plan, I'm confident that I'll be able to achieve these benefits, and I want to inspire you to do the same. I want to share a personal success story with you. One of my friends completed this detox plan, and she reported feeling more energized and focused than she had in years. She also noticed a significant improvement in her skin, and said that she felt more calm and centered overall. It's stories like these that inspire me to make positive changes in my own life, and I hope they'll inspire you to do the same. If you're thinking about trying this detox plan for yourself, I want to encourage you to take the leap. In just 7 days, you can start to feel the benefits of a cleaner, healthier body and brain. You'll have more energy, clearer skin, and a sharper mind, and you'll be on your way to a happier, healthier you. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you ever done a detox before? Or do you have any questions about getting started? Let me know, and be sure to check out my next video on healthy habits for more tips and inspiration. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.